Question given to us on illustration number 29. Current ratio is 4:1. Quick ratio is 2:1. Inventory is 22,500. Find current asset and quick assets. That we have to find out in this question. Current asset and current liability. That we have to find out in this question. Okay. So how do we solve it? After seeing the question, can you have some clue over this? So I must have to find the reason. How to solve this? First of all, we have the quick ratio. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. Assume current liability X. Now, we have the quick ratio. How much quick ratio? 2:5. Current liability X. So, quick asset will be 2.5x. Same as it is. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Current liability X. Current asset as it is. Current ratio is given 4. So our current asset is 4x. Now the question is given us inventory. One more formula we have. What is the formula? See on this blackboard. Here we have current asset is equal to quick asset plus inventory. Okay, so current asset is 4x. Quick asset is 2.5x plus inventory 22,500. So how much will be? 4x minus 2.5x. How much? 1.5x is equal to 22,500. So x is equal to 22,500 divided by 1.5. So our x will come how much? Do the solution here. How much our x will come? So our x will come 15,000 after cutting this. This is what? Current liability. So what you have to do? You have to find the current asset and current liability now. So for finding the current asset, what you have to do? Simply, I am doing it now. 4x, 4 multiplied by 15,000. 15 to the 30, 15 4 to the 60. 60,000. Here the current asset is 60,000. Current liability. How to find the current liability now? Very simple. You have the current asset. I am doing it here. Current ratio is 4. Current asset we have to find out. Current liability we have 60,000. So 60,000 multiply 4 is equal to current asset. So current asset is equal to 2,40,000. Sorry. Current asset is 2,40,000. That I have written was current liability. It must be written here 60,000 and 2,40,000 is current asset. Okay. This is the solution. Solve it in your copy so that you can remember it for the longer time. Next question. Page number 4.20. Illustration number 30. Working capital is given 60,000 in this question. Current ratio is 2.5. Inventory is 4 lakh is given. And you are asked to find out current liability, current asset and quick ratio. So these three things you have to find out. How you will find out all these three things? Okay, let's go through one by one. First, assuming current liability X, because nothing is given in the form current liability. Okay, so what is now current ratio is given? Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Current liability is X, current asset not given. Current ratio is 2.5. So our current asset became 2.5x. Okay, now working capital is given to us. Working capital 60,000. We know the formula current asset minus current liability. So working capital is 60,000. Current asset is 2.5x. From here we will take it. Current liability is nothing given. Array, we have assumed x now. So 60,000 is equal to how much? Nothing is there, the considered one. So 1.5x, 2.5x minus 1x, 1.5x. So x is equal to 60,000 divided by 1.5. So how much? 15, 4 is 60. 40,000 is our current liability. We got our current liability 40,000. Now I am writing here current liability 40,000. Now we have to find the current asset. How to find current asset? Very simple. You know current asset is equal to 2.5x. So just I am solving nearby to it. 2.5 multiplied by 40,000. How much it comes? 40, 80, 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh will be your current asset. Now quick ratio. For finding quick ratio, I am rubbing this. Quick ratio is equal to quick asset divided by current liability. Quick ratio is nothing given. Quick asset is also not given. Current liability is given to us. How much? 40,000. We have already find it out. Okay. So we know the current liability is with us. Quick asset we don't know. So first of all we have to find this quick assets. है ना? So for quick asset what we have to do? As we know that current asset working note, I am writing it here. Quick asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. How much inventory we have? 4 lakh rupees. See here, 4 lakh inventory. So quick asset is equal to current asset 1 lakh minus 4 lakh. How it can be happen? It is not 1 lakh. It is 10 lakh. How much? It is 10 lakh. That's why it is 10 lakh. So quick asset is equal to 10 lakh minus 4 lakh, 6 lakh. So here 6 lakh divided by current liability 4 lakh. How much it comes? 3:2. This is our quick ratio. 3:2. So this is the way we have to solve the questions. I am giving you some homework question that you have to solve in your copy. So this is the homework for you, exercise unsolved questions, page number 4.101, question number 22 to 27, that you have to solve in your copy. Practice well. Any doubt, contact to me. We will cover it in the next video class. Thank you. Practice more and more.